Today we are going to discuss a very most important chapter, inverse trigonometric functions. In this we are going to discuss that some standard models. So different types of the questions we will discuss. So today I am discussing that one model question. See here, by observing this one, let a comma b and c be the positive real numbers. Then prove that this value will be equals to pi. You have to prove this one. So here a comma b comma c be the positive real numbers means now you can write that a value, b value, c value, any number you can take. Just now I am going to discuss the shortcut, not that general procedure. But because of objective point of view, if you do that in the simplest way, you can save the time. So here I am taking that put a is equals to b is equals to c is equals to 1. Okay. So now in this LHS will be equals to, see, if you write that a is equals to b is equals to c is equals to 1, what is that LHS value? LHS is equals to, this one will be tan inverse of a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, c is equals to 1. So then it becomes that root of this value will be 1, 3 into 1, 3 into 1 by that is that 1. Okay, so plus the next one is also tan inverse of b value is that 1, a plus b plus c value is that 3 by c into a is nothing but 1 into 1 plus, and next again this one will be tan inverse of, okay, root of c value is that 1 into a plus b plus c value is that 3 by a into b is nothing but 1. So here that each one will be nothing but tan inverse of this value will be, this one will be tan inverse of root 3, and this is also tan inverse of root 3. This is also tan inverse of root 3. So you can write that 3 into tan inverse of root 3. Okay. So what is that? Here tan inverse of root 3 means, now here you will be get that this output value. So for what? Tan inverse of something means that gives the angle. For what angle the tan value will be the root 3? 60 degrees. So this one will be equals to 3 into, that is pi by 3. So here 3 and 3 will be cancelled, that is equals to pi. This value will be nothing but RHS value. So see in this next question, very simple question. You see, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equals to pi by 2 is given. Then what is the value of 1 plus x power 4 plus y power 4 whole divided by x square minus x square y square plus y square? What is the value? It is also very simple. You see here that sin inverse x, what is the first range of the sin inverse x? This one will be minus pi by 2 and maximum value is minus pi by 2 and minimum value is the plus pi by 2. Okay. Now what is the value which satisfy sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equals to pi by 2. So now here you can take some in this interval sin inverse x value, sin inverse y value, how much by taking this sum will be equals to pi by 2. So this one you take as pi by 4, right? And this one also you take as pi by 4. Now very clearly the sum of these two will be equals to this one or not. So that you can take sin inverse of x is equals to pi by 4. Sine inverse x is equals to, this one is that pi by 4, and sine inverse y is also will be equals to pi by 4. Now sine inverse x is equals to pi by 4 means x is equals to 1 by root 2 and y is also 1 by root 2. So x is equals to y is equals to 1 by root 2. So directly these two values substitute in given relation. What is the given relation? 1 plus x power 4 plus y power 4. 1 plus x power 4 plus y power 4. So here if you substitute 1 plus x power 4 plus y power 4 whole divided by x square minus x square into y square plus y square. So this one is the given value. This one is the given expression. Now if you substitute in this 1 plus x power 4 means 1 by root 2 whole power 4 is that 1 by 4 plus y power 4 is also 1 by 4 whole divided by x square means 1 by 2 minus x square y square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4 plus and 1 by 2, right? The numerator value 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 by 4. This value will be equals to 3 by 2 whole divided by, this one is that 3 by 4. So now what is the value of this one? Here 3 and 3 will be cancelled. That will be 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equals to how much? 2. So your right answer will be 2 is the right answer. What is the right answer? 2 is the right answer. Okay, right. Now we will discuss the one more question in the same model. See here, this one is that, you say one more question is there. Sine inverse A plus sine inverse B plus sine inverse C is equals to, that is that pi is given. How to attempt this question in the simple method? Now same, in the above problem I explained the range of the sine inverse of x, that is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. In that interval you consider that sine inverse A plus sine inverse B plus sine inverse C is equals to pi. Then how you can take that value? Let we take that, you see here sine inverse A, here I will take that, let sine inverse A is equals to sine inverse B is equals to sine inverse C is equals to sine inverse C. This one I will take as that is a 60, 60, 60. So that value will be pi by 3. So sine inverse A is that 60 means A is equals to how much the value? Sine 60. B is also sine 60, C is also sine 60. So A is equals to B is equals to sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 means this value will be equals to root 3 by 2. Right? After this one, you substitute this A value, B value in this given expression. So what is that given expression? That value will be A into root of 1 minus A square plus B into root of 1 minus B square plus C into root of 1 minus C square. Here A, B, C all will be the same. A value root 3 by 2, B value root 3 by 2, C value root 3 by 2. So you can write this one will be 3 times of, so A value is the root 3 by 2, okay, into square root of 1 minus root 3 by 2 whole square is that 3 by 4. So now you simplify 3 into root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is nothing but root 3 by 4. So here this value will be equals to root 3 by 3 into root 3 by 4 is this value. After that you substitute one by one all that values. If you write that a is equals to b is equals to c in first option, option A. So this is that a into b into c. That means 3 root 3 whole divided by 2 whole to the power of 3 whole to the power of 3. Now this value will be equals to 3 into root 3 by 4. So that means the first option, the result will be tally with the above value. Okay. So next you take the this is the second, first option is that, this is the second option. First option is that what, 2 into ABC. Okay, 2 into ABC means this one you substitute 2 into ABC. That means 2 into ABC value 3 into root 3 by 4. Okay, now here the 2 will goes the 2 times. This value will be equals to 2 into root 3 by 2. And next 1 by 2 into, this next one is that 1 by 2. Option 3 is that 1 by 2 into ABC. 1 by 2 into ABC means you get that already this value will be, ABC value is nothing but 3 root 3 by 4. 3 root 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 is that 3 into root 3 by 8. Right? And next another one is that 1 by 3 into ABC. 1 by 3 into ABC means 1 by 3 into, this one is a 3 root 3 by 4. Here 3 and 3 will be cancelled. This value will be root 3 by 4. Now A, B, C values, after substituting in all the given options, which value is the coinciding that a given expression, only option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. So here that A, B, C. Here option 2 is the correct option. Option 2 is the correct option. ABC will be equals to 3 root 3 by 4. And this expression is also, and this expression also given that same value. This expression and this expression both are the same values. So that we have that what is the correct option? Option 2 is the correct option. Okay. Right. In the same model, we will discuss that one more question. So that question will be this one. If cot inverse x plus cot inverse y plus cot inverse z is equals to pi by 2. It's a very different question in this one. What is the difference of previous questions and this question? You see, here cot inverse x plus cot inverse y is equals to, this value will be pi by 2. And here that x into y is a less than 1. So now I will take this one as, say, cot inverse x. Cot inverse x, we know that we can write that cot inverse of x will be equals to tan inverse of 1 by x if x is that greater than 0. Right? So this is that one formula, you know, in that basics. According to that one, so here I will write that cot inverse x plus cot inverse y is equals to, this one we can write that pi by 2 minus cot inverse of z. Cot inverse of z. See, the left hand side value both you convert in terms of the tan. So right side value you can also be write in the tan. How? You know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equals to pi by 2 for all x belongs to R. Everybody is know this formula. So according to this one, so by using the first formula, you write the left hand side will be tan inverse 1 by x, tan inverse 1 by x plus this one is the tan inverse of 1 by y is equals to right side value from the second formula. From second formula, you can write that this one will be, what is the value of this one? That will be equals to tan inverse of z. Tan inverse of z. And the left hand side, you know the formula will be tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y. What is this formula? This one you can be write that tan inverse of x minus y whole divided x plus y whole divided by 1 minus x into y. 1 minus x into y. Apply this formula. Now you can get the left hand side value will be tan inverse of 1 by x plus 1 by y whole divided by 1 minus 1 by x into 1 by y is equals to this right side value will be tan inverse of z. Okay, so now here this one will be tan inverse of by taking LCM, numerator LCM will be xy, denominator also xy. So this one we can write that x plus y by x into y minus 1 is equals to tan inverse of z. So this one, how you can write this value? This one will be equals to x plus y whole divided by x into y minus 1 is equals to z, right? So now you cross multiply x plus y is equals to xyz minus z. Minus z if you get the left hand side, minus z if you get left hand side, x plus y plus z is equals to x into y into z. See all of you, in question he is asking that what is the value of x plus y plus z. So what is the result you got it here? X plus y plus z value will be equals to x into y into z. So what is the right option in this one? Second option is the correct answer. Okay, right, in the same model we will discuss the one more question that will be equals to this one. Now this problem you can do as well as that first question, second question. So here also you can write it. See, look at this simple technique will be, you can apply x square plus y square plus z square is equals to r square. Particularly x, y, z, there is a positive or negative not mentioned. So here for our convenient you can take any value. So let it be, I will take here, let x is equals to y is equals to z is equals to, I will take that 1. If you substitute in that, the result will be r square is equals to, this value will be 3. R square is equals to 3 means r is equals to 3. So clearly you have that r is equals to 3. So when will you get that r is equals to 3? When x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1, z is equals to 1. Substitute all the values in the given expression. What is the given expression? Tan inverse of xy by z into r plus tan inverse of yz by x into r plus tan inverse of zx by y into r. Now substitute all the values in the corresponding expression. So then it becomes the tan inverse of, okay, x into y is the 1 into 1 by z into r. Z value is the 1, r value will be root 3. Here r value is not the 3, this one will be root 3. So why you take that r is only the positive? So here r value should be always that positive in this case because there is no condition. So you can take that this is nothing but this is that 1 by root 3 plus next value is also tan inverse of 1 by root 3 tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Next, the third value is also tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Okay, so you know tan inverse of something means it gives the output is the angle. This value will be for what angle the tan is, that 1 by root 3 30 degrees. So this value will be pi by 6, and this value is also pi by 6, and this value is also pi by 6. Now sum of all these three, that will be equals to 3 pi by 6. 3 pi by 6 means what? Pi by 2. So what is the correct option? Correct option to this question, pi by 2 is the correct option. So second option is the correct option. I hope that everyone is clear all these questions. If you like, please subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching this one.